Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Nidhi and today we are going to make Ladi Pav. These Ladi Pavs are super soft and amazingly delicious. These gorgeous and golden Pavs make perfect meal when paired with bhaji, vada pav or dabeli. So if you love super fluffy and soft Pavs, then this is the recipe for you. If you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon so you never miss another update. And don't forget to share your comments in the comment section box below. And let's get started. Take 1 cup of warm milk into a bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of sugar into it. Into that add 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast. If you have pouch, then you can use 1 pouch for this recipe. Now mix it nicely and let it stand for 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes thick, foamy and bubbly. This proofing procedure shows that yeast is alive and active. If the yeast fails this step, it means if it is not frothy or bubbly, please discard and start all over again. Now take 3 cups of all-purpose flour, that is maida, into a mixing bowl. To that add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1.5 teaspoon of milk powder. After 15 minutes you can see our yeast has turned bubbly. Do not proceed with the recipe as the flat yeast will result in dense and sticky pav. Now place the bowl into a stand mixture and also put a dough hook. Now turn the power on and keep on low speed and start adding yeast mixture into it. Add little bit at a time and start mixing it. As the flour start to incorporate into the dough, increase the speed to a medium range. If you don't have this stand mixture, then just keep on kneading until the flour is incorporated or the dough is soft to the touch and only slightly sticky. It's a bit of a workout, but it's worth it. Now add another 1/4 cup of warm milk again. So total milk we used in this recipe was 1 cup plus 1/4 cup. This tried and tested recipe, so all the measurements are perfect. You can see the dough mixture is now sticky and soft. So this is what we want. Slowly the sticky dough will form into a soft and non-sticky dough. Now after almost 2 minutes of kneading, we will add 3 tablespoons of softened butter. And again we will knead this dough for another 5 minutes. In order to get soft pav, it is really important to form a gluten into our dough. You can see now our dough has came together and it started leaving the sides. So at this point our dough is ready. You can see the consistency. It took me around 7 minutes to reach at this point. Now turn the mixture off and take out the dough into a greased mixing bowl. Grease it little bit on the top. Now cover it with a cling wrap and close the lid. Now leave this bowl in a warm place for around 90 minutes. After almost 90 minutes, you can see our dough has rised almost thrice in a quantity. Now collect the dough into a ball. Now take some plain flour onto a surface and transfer the dough into it. Again knead the dough for a minute or so. Now cut it into equal parts to make buns. Now take one portion and just kind of roll it the way I'm doing. And now place it onto a greased pan. In similar way, make all the rolls. Now all the balls are ready. You can see they are looking equal into size. Now let it cover one more time and leave it onto a warm place for around 20 minutes. Our rolls are looking perfect. This is the perfect size I want. Now brush it with some milk on the top so it doesn't dries out. And now transfer it into an oven which is preheated at 360 Fahrenheit and we will bake it for around 25 minutes. Our buns are out of the oven and they are looking gorgeous. Apply some butter on the top so it looks shiny. Now cover it with a damp kitchen towel and leave it for another 20 minutes. After around 20 minutes, you can see our buns has turned really soft. And if it is perfectly baked, it will come off the pan very easily. I will break and show you how it is fluffy from inside as well. It has got a really soft texture. Now our buns are ready to serve. It goes well with pav bhaji or vada pav or dabeli. You can use wherever you want. If you have any question regarding this video, then feel free to comment me in the comment section box below. Thank you for watching and I will see you soon with the next recipe.